So this fly is going to be a CDC Nymph with a black tungsten bead and just fading colors that fades really well together. So this fly is just a super duper nice fly to have in your collection. It fishes really well. It resembles pretty much anything underwater. So this is a very, very good beginner fly. Let's tie it up. All right, so the first thing we do is to secure the wire behind the bead. Put it in the slot because it helps to stabilize the fly. We go all the way to the back. So I'm curious to know how you fish and what kind of flies you like to tie. So please comment down below where you're from and how you fish. I would love to know. So we're using some gray dubbing. This is Hare dubbing. We want to have a slim body on this fly. So put a little bit of dubbing, make a noodle, and then we're going to do the segmentation. So it should be thinner in the back and a little bit thicker in front. Add some more dubbing. I think it was a little bit too little. Just like that. We wire it up. This is a little bit thicker wire, but that's because I want to have this wire to be the ribbing of the fly. It should be visible. It's a little bit tricky to secure it because it's so thick. So use a strong thread. You can find the thread I'm using in the description. Just gonna put the wire in between the bead like that. Then we're using some Khaki Campbell CDC. This is 2 feathers that we're going to use. When I'm doing bulky flies, I like to have 2 feathers. Otherwise, when I'm doing a little bit thinner flies, I like to have 1 feather because the density of the fly will be a little bit too much and it will sink more slow if you have too much CDC, pretty much. So that's why when you're doing lighter flies, you want to have a little bit less CDC, maybe just 1 feather or just a few strands from it. But I like tying with the bulky flies. As you can see on my Instagram, I have a lot of pictures there, flies I make, and a lot of them are buggy. So when the CDC is on your thread, just put up the thread, spin your bobber, just wait a little bit, and bang, we have some nice fibers. So tying it in, we're just gonna wait until the fibers touches the fly. We stroke the fibers back while tying them, so it won't be such a mess. Something like this. 1, 2, pull. All right, that's perfect. So we are going to use a little bit more dubbing, just a pinch. You really don't need much dubbing in the front here. We're just gonna make the fibers stick back a little bit more. So I stroke the fibers back again. Just like that. Then the fly is pretty much done. Just gonna whip finish and brush it out a little bit, and you have an amazing fly for grayling, trout, and all of these cool species that we have. So I'm just gonna bring out the fibers a little bit. All right, so then we just brush them out a little bit like this. And if the fibers are too long on the CDC, you can just snip them off with your hands. You pull them up, put your other hand there, and remove the other ones. And this fly fishes really, really well.